Hi everyone, I'm going to review a product that's from Walmart. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Equate. It's a care and fix travel grooming kit. I have opened it because I sent the wrong store, so I don't want them to get mad at me. This was gifted to me absolutely free by them, and I was able to be eligible to get this gifted to me to influencer.com. That's to review. It's a reviewing app. They send you free products to review for honest review. And this is the case. You just throw in your suitcase, I guess. Or probably your carry-on. It was hard to get these things out, so it's not going to look the greatest in here. Let's read what's on here. There's an economic. Oh, I'm pronouncing. Maybe I'm seeing where I have eye content. Ergonomic ear pick, precision nail clipper. I probably pronounced that wrong before, excuse me. Multi-purpose scissors, nano glass file, and a protective storage case. I mean, it's hard getting the things out of you. This, I guess if you wanted to touch up your eyebrows and you didn't have time to go to the salon to get it done, it's okay. It works. Nail file was tough to get out of here. So it's like a glass nail file. It is I'll just try it out for you guys. And it does work, but I don't think it's going to be a long-term use. It's just good for an emergency kit in your bag or emergency kit for when you travel. It's more for your travels, but you can use it any way you want. This is, I guess, to get, wax out of your ears because it's called a, where was it? A ear pick. The name I said before, I said the wrong thing. This is for the ear pick. I wouldn't stick anything. I would never do it. But it's made pretty sturdy, that part. And then there's the nail file. That'll be the last piece. It's okay. It's like something you go away and you just want something quick. Or you keep it in your bag, you know. You might keep this little thing in your bag just even for your own, like a quick grooming that you might need. You know, sometimes your nail breaks or you get the skin that hangs from your cuticle, you know, or a hangnail, you know, something like that. You may be able to use. It has a little feature here. It's a mirror. So this is it with my review. I think it's okay. It's, you know, it's not going to last you forever and ever. It's good for a quick use, for traveling, pretty much. And you'll be done with it. But the nail clip is probably the best option. I mean, they usually don't, you guys spend a lot of money to get a good one, but I wouldn't use this to clip your nails. No, I would, because this is what it looks like. I would use just trim your eyebrows or a quick fix on your nails. You know, that's what I would do. The other things I don't think I would use. I would rather buy my own nail file, but it's good for a quick fix. You throw it in your bag and that's it. And or you carry on. So they should have made it clear the case on top, so like in case they look through your stuff and go, "Oh, you're gonna go off at the airport," so you probably have to put this in your carry-on, but it's probably gonna go off because of, I don't know if this, I guess it's metal. So I think it's better just throw in your pocketbook or something. You want something for emergency grooming, and that's what I would do with it. So stay tuned for more reviews. I'm going to review an espresso coffee maker. I'm pretty sure that's what it was, for Nespresso, and I think that's what it was called. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to do that later tonight. I'll probably put it out by tomorrow. So bye everyone.